And this is last year's blackberries. And we're going to do a little something different this year. We're going to propagate these bad boys. I'm going to show you how I propagate them. And hopefully this summer 2026, we'll have a whole lot more blackberries going on. Let's get started. Hello, hello, hello. Today's plant or plant of the day or seed of the day is not an actual seed. It's not a transplant, but it's I guess like a propagation. What I'm going to do is, see my blackberry bushes here is really growing. It's, it's branching out, and I pulled up a root system from one of it. It's just like you're doing strawberries. If you want to take the runners and start another plant, you do the same thing with the blackberries. So what I did was I got another pot. I pulled up this root from out of the main branch, and I'm just going to put that in my soil. Water it in. I already watered my soil, so I'm watering it in. And once that takes root, then we will cut it away from the mother, and that starts another blackberry bush. So that's how I have processed all of my blackberry bushes. Actually, some of them I've actually cut off and just put in another pot and started new blackberries. So this one I did last year. Okay, another way to propagate your beautiful bush is by taking the tips or the ends of the branches and simply cutting away your leaves and sinking that tip into another bowl or pot of potting mix, and making sure that you got enough nodes to sink deep down into that soil. I like to make sure I got at least 3 or 4 nodes, so I know that it's going to reroot itself. And there you have it. You have another pot of blackberries. This is my first pot right here. That's the first pot I have. As you can see, I've been cutting away, and it just gives me another branch and gives me another branch. So that's how we propagate our blackberry bushes. Here. Okay, I'm done. I already see that these got to be covered. Look, you're already out attacking them. But anyway, I got 3 of them done. I was able to pull another root up. I was able to put one of the ends in there, propagate right from the stem, and put it into soil. And I did the same thing with this one. I'm gonna put that down in there so it doesn't tip over from the wind. And this one is the one I did to go into the pot. This one is the one that's coming into here. And I did get the chicken wire up. And then this one is another one I put into there. So now I should have this summer so far 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm probably gonna do one more because I see another one that I can do. And I'm trying to get as many blackberry bushes as possible this year so my grandbabies can enjoy their berries. I'll see you guys on the next video. I wish you love and light.